So now we'll be turning our sketch into our 3D lampshade, and you see the reason why I used 75 for this line. So first go to Revolve, click on everything, go to Axis, click here, and select the vertical axis. And as you can see, now the 75 has become 150 as it double, and now this thing is 150. Whereas if we used 150 earlier, now this will be 300. So that's why we only use half. And then press OK. So now we'll be cutting our cylinder into different parts, because from our sketch, there's this part here and this part here that don't have the pattern on it. They're just circles. So go to Construct, Offset Plane, click on that, select the top, and then drag it down by -10. And press OK. And do the same down here. Drag it up. Make sure it's -10. Then press OK. Also, if you're wondering how you can rotate, you can do this by holding down the Shift button and the scrolling button on your mouse, and then move your mouse and it will allow you to rotate. So now we're going to split up this cylinder. Go to Split Body up here, select the cylinder, and go to Splitting Tools, click there, and click on the offset plane that we just made. And then press OK. When that's done, you want to hide the construction, hide body number 2, and we're going to empty what's inside here. So go to Shell, click on the top, click on the bottom, and then make this 4. So that will make our wall 4 millimeters thick. Then press OK. Then again, we'll be doing the same to the bottom. Turn on construction, and we'll be cutting this. Go to Split Body, click on the body, click on this splitting tool, select our offset plane, then click OK. And then you want to hide body number 3 now. And in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make the patterns.